Things to take care if you are a little too busty. Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar. I'm a designer, stylist, image consultant. So if anyone of you new here, please consider subscribing. And once you have subscribed, do not forget that bell icon. And I'm so glad that you could join me today in this video. Let's dive right in. So today we're going to discuss about some of those tips, some of those hacks that you can adopt if you are a little too busty. I want to tell you a disclaimer here. Now, I don't think people with heavy bust, people with little less bust, there is absolutely nothing wrong with any one of us. We have all been made in different shapes and sizes, and we are all very beautiful. Now, having said that, sometimes people tend to become a little conscious about certain features. So I'm just giving you some tips and hacks that you could adopt if you are conscious. If you are not, just leave. You don't have to listen to this. Okay, so let's dive right in. Number one, avoid wearing plain colors and switch over to prints. Yes, wearing plain colors always tend to accentuate what is already there. So when you wear plain colors, it tends to amplify which is already there and probably will make you more conscious. So when you switch over to prints, prints have this fantastic, brilliant characteristic of covering up things and camouflaging things. Okay, so go for prints more than your plain colors. Number two is, in case you love your plain colors, if you want to wear plain colors, then switch over to darker tones, because light colors like whites and pale yellows tend to again make you more bigger. So whatever you have is again more amplified. So try to stick to darker colors like a brown, like a black, like a deep green, which will make you look more compact. Number three is avoid shiny and transparent fabrics. Now, as you all know, fabrics which are a little too shiny, like some of those silks, some of those satins, some of those velvets, these fabrics tend to play with light a lot. They kind of catch the light and amplify and enlarge the things which are already there. And it tends to show a bigger size than actually that is there. So try to avoid all these shiny fabrics and try to stick to fabrics which have minimum shine and shimmer. And if you're somebody like a silk lover, you can adopt silks which don't have shine. There are a variety of silks out there in the market which don't have a shine at all. They all look matte. And at any cost, try to avoid transparent fabrics. As you know, transparent is transparent, so what is there will show as big as it is there. So try to avoid transparent. And in case you're in love with a fabric or a garment which is transparent, take a beautiful, nice, thick lining for it so that it is transparent, but it doesn't show so much. Number four, avoid details on your bust. Meaning to say, when you're taking a garment, if there are details like embroidery or any kind of ornamentation bang on your bust, it calls attention. And if in case you're taking any ornamentation or embroidery on your bust, then try to stick to the same color. So like a black on black or a pink on pink, so that will not catch attention. So try to avoid anything which is especially in a different contrasting color on your bust. Wear your neck pieces in the right place. So all of us wear different lengths of neck pieces, that's all right. But when you're somebody with a little too much of bust, it would be great if you would stick to your neckwear, which is just around the neck like this, something like a choker, which is here, and it catches attention here. And in case you want to take a longer neck piece, do not have that neck piece right bang on your bust. Take it more longer so that it goes down and it doesn't catch attention onto your bust. So either very short or a little too long. And definitely give attention if you're wearing a pendant, even a pendant which is a slightly chunky piece. Do take care that it doesn't just land upon your bust. Wear the right innerwear. This is one of those most taken for granted yet the most critical thing when you wear a garment. You have to build from inside. If you aren't wearing the right innerwear, then it could really call out for a lot of attention and it will look actually not as great as it should. So especially women with a little too much of bust should take care of the kind of innerwear that they're buying, you should buy a full coverage innerwear to wear. You cannot have which are very open and cut out innerwear which would also lead to spillage. So when we see the garment from outside, it looks very neat and clean because it has got a full coverage. And also one more additional tip is, try to take an innerwear which has got 3 hooks at the back. Usually we tend to buy something with 2 hooks, that is normal, but there are definitely a lot of products out in the market which has got 3 hooks, which give a better support and it looks much better. Now the last but not the least is wear a scarf or a stole. This is not something which I need to tell you, but still I am just telling this as a final word. That is something which everybody knows you should do. But you could actually experiment with a kind of scarves and stoles. Even if you're wearing a kameez or a kurta, you don't have to stick to that old boring dupatta. You could take a different scarf or a stole which falls into the color scheme and just make it around the neck in a very smart way, which falls, a little bit of it falls on your bust. So there is a bit of a camouflage and you feel much more confident and not so conscious. So play around with your scarves and stoles and even your dupattas. Try to take different kinds of drape with your dupattas. I believe you've loved those tips, and I would love to hear from you. People who have any more tips to give me this side, I would love to hear from you, and try to adopt some of these tips if you are a little too conscious. Now I'll be seeing you soon with many more videos on fashion, style and image. Please post down all your comments and suggestions down below. I'll see you soon. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Signing off, Archana Shankar.